welcome you all. In this video we will see the problem number 2. Before you watch this video, go to the introduction classes, how to what is the format of the assessable value, custom duty, and again see with the problem number 1. Right, now in this problem we will see that problem number 2, a consignment is imported by air. Underline, a consignment is imported by air on the transport mukantra import ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Because when I am saying in underline, that is air means a special calculation is required for the when it is imported by air. Next, full stop. CIF, cost insurance price, is $4,000. Here step itself is a calculation of assessable value. They already given the CIF value, that is a $4,000, but why we have to recalculate? Because when it is given that is CIF and freight is through air, import is through air, then you have to calculate the revised FOB. Revised FOB na calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ CIF ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That we will go to do. Right, CIF price is $4,000. Freight is $1,280. Freight add to the adjusted FOB, and again which amount? Given amount or 20% on FOB, whichever is less that can be added to that. Insurance cost was rupees, was $140. Find the transaction value if the exchange rate on the date of presentation of bill is RBI given rate is 60.21, interbank closing rate is 61.26, rate notified CBIC is 61.46, rate at which bank has realized the payment from the importer, that is 61.36. Now, in order to calculate the assessable value, we will go to calculate with the 3 column: particulars, foreign currency amount, converted amount. When we want to convert the amount, it's required exchange rate. Which exchange rate? Exchange rate which is given by the CBIC, Central Board of Indirect Tax and Customs. Right. Again, if the Central Board of Indirect and Customs given two rate, one is at the time of bill of entry, and bill of inward. In such case, that rate should be taken at bill of entry. Bill of entry ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. Now in this problem it is given as bill of entry, and which rate we have to consider? A rate which is prescribed by the CBIC. Now, and whatever the other rate which is given, ignore it. Now with this problem you calculate assessable value. Right, now in this problem, it is problem number 2. Now, first we have to calculate, that is a revised FOB. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So, CIF is equal to what? CIF is equal to, that is FOB plus freight plus insurance. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಮೂರು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? CIF ಬರುತ್ತೆ. CIF ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ freight minus insurance, then we will get what? FOB. FOB ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ CIF ಇಂದ freight ಮತ್ತೆ insurance ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? FOB ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Right, calculate, that is calculation of assessable value under section 14 of Customs Act 1962. Now take the CIF amount. CIF is, what is the amount CIF? Here US dollar and rupees, and what is the per US dollar amount? That is 61.46, which is given by CBIC. That is CIF cost insurance freight $4,000. Convert to Indian rupees 2,45,840 minus freight ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ವಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 1280 of US dollar when it is converted to Indian rupees 78,669 next minus insurance that is 140 US dollar convert to Indian rupees 8,604 then revised FOB CAF value minus these two that is 2,580 convert to Indian rupees 1,58,567 right. This is revised FOB. From this we can calculate again a normal calculation of CAF value, assessable value or transaction value. For this add freight. So what is the amount? Actual amount is 1,280 given in the problem or 20% on revised FOB. Revised FOB 2,580 into 20 divided by 100, that is the amount 516. Whichever is less, that will be taken for the calculation. That is 516 freight amount. Convert to Indian rupees 31,713. Then add insurance. Insurance it is directly given, that is $140, and which is when it is converted to Indian rupees 8,604. So add all this, then you will get what amount, that is $3,236 amount. When it is converted to Indian rupees 1,98,885, it is assessable value, CAF value or transaction value. Very simple. When a goods is imported by air, so you have to calculate that is a 20% of FOB amount or freight amount which is given in the problem. Whichever is that can be taken. Hence, so CAF minus freight and insurance. CAF minus freight and insurance, you will get a revised FOB. Again add that freight and insurance by calculating, then final answer will be assessable value, transaction value or CAF value. Suppose in case CAF ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಫ್ರೈಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಡಿಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ CAF freight minus insurance revised FOB add again development charges, design charges, packing charges, commissions, royalties, any license fee ella add ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ add ಮಾಡಿ, then again you can add to the freight or insurance on adjusted FOB. This is how we calculate the assessable value on importing of the goods, right? Again continue with the next problem number 3. It is 2019 question paper, a very simple problem. From the following information, compute assessable value. Value of the machine in UK pound 32,000 FOB, 32,000, and it is a FOB value. Engineering and designing charges paid in UK pound 12,000. Freight paid, that is in a bracket is given air UK pound 6,000. Insurance not know, we have to calculate. So commission payable to local agent at 2% on FOB in Indian rupees, and the exchange rate announced by the central government is rupees 68 per UK pound. Right? See one by one. And the first one is value of machine. It is a FOB value. Take the under FOB. So you write the proper format. Particulars UK pound and rupees. What is the rate? That is 68 per UK pound. Problem number 3, 2019 question paper, 2019 question paper, 6 months. Right. FOB, take here. What is the FOB value? 32,000 UK pound. When it is converted to Indian rupees, 21,76,000. Next, add to this, that is engineering and designing charges. Engineering and designing charges paid in UK. Engineering and design charges amount, that is 12,000 UK pound. When it is converted to Indian rupees, 8,16,000. Next, commission to local agent. I said commission other than buying commission we have to take. So they are not mentioned in like buying commission. So hence we can take commission to local agent at 2% on FOB. How FOB ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ 2%. Right. 32,000 into 2 divided by 100, that is 640. Again 640 into 68, that is 43,520 is converted amount. Next, there is any other cost to add for the FOB, and 32,000, 12,000 and 640, 44,640, and add all this amount, 30,35,520. It is called adjusted FOB. Adjusted FOB. Next, to this add first one, freight. See the problem, how they are importing the goods. It is through air, hence a calculation is required. Freight actual amount. What is the freight actual amount given in the problem? That is 6,000 or 20% on adjusted FOB. Adjusted FOB 44,640 into 20%, that is 8,928. Whichever is less. So that is 6,000 is the freight amount. Convert to Indian rupees, 6,000 into 68, that is 4,08,000. 4,08,000. And the next one is insurance. Insurance is not given in the problem. If it is not given, we can calculate at what? Insurance at 1.125% on adjusted FOB. Adjusted FOB is how much? 44,640 US dollar into 1.125%. Then the amount is, that is 502 US dollar. Convert to Indian rupees, 502 into 68, that is 34,136. Now add all this amount, that is adjusted FOB and freight and insurance. 44,640, 6,502, that is 51,142. Convert to Indian rupees, 51,142 into 68, that is 34,77,656. 656. It is called CIF or assessable value or transaction value for the imported goods. Next, moving on to the next coming problem, we are going to see how to do the custom duty. Right, this is very simple problem. Go through this, then you can able to understand it. Thank you so much.